Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo XC60. This is a 2019 and I'm just troubleshooting this 12 volt socket that is not working. So I've got my charger there, well, the little socket for charging the TomTom, and the little light doesn't come on. So if I switch the car on and I can't sort of get rid of that alarm, but anyway, you can't, that little light is not coming on. So basically we're just going to it's because I've got my bonnet open, but okay, I don't know how to make it quiet. Okay, so now the car is shut up. I can carry on. So that particular, the fuse for that, if we look at our fuse boxes here in the manual, fuse number, I've already had a look at this, so I can obviously show you fairly quickly, but engine bay fuses, fuse number 24 there is a 12 volt socket for the tunnel console in the front, so this console front. The other 12 volt sockets are for the other ones at the back and in the cargo area. So we're gonna check the fuse number 24, which should be that one there. These are numbered in the engine, in the actual fuse box as well, so we'll have a look at that and see if it's blown or not and replace it if need be. So now if I switch this car off, it's probably the alarm is still gonna start. Maybe not. Okay. So let's have a look. So I've got my bonnet open already, and this is the fuse box in question. And there are some clips on the sides that you want to press in order to release this little cover here. And fuse number 24 is this one here, that 15 amp fuse there. So I'm just going to remove that now. Actually, there is a little key in here for removing fuses that you can use. Sometimes I use my pliers, but we can use a little key if we can release it. So I'm just going to take the fuse out. I'm gonna drop it, and this fuse you might be able to see, maybe not, but it is actually blown. And we do have a spare one here actually, and that one looks okay. So you need to see the little filament inside. If it's intact, it will look something like this one here. If it's not intact, it will be obviously right. Okay, so at least we found the fuse is actually blown, and now we can go and see if the socket works, which I hope it does, because saying that, I did have another car the other day, which I did the same, changed the fuse, and the socket was still not working. So it turns out there was another fuse that was sort of responsible for that particular socket. In fact, it was two fuses that were responsible for that, and that's why it wasn't working. So hopefully in this case it's gonna be, oh, okay. That is already green. Don't really have to start the car. I can see that it's already working. So happy days. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, which will actually be, I'm gonna make a video showing you the location of all the fuse boxes and what each fuse, well, I'll show you the list of the fuses, what they're for, and as you can already see, they are clearly numbered here and they are clearly numbered on the actual fuse box. But yes, we're gonna do that. So again, hope the video helps, and I will see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.